Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you are very fine. Today we are going to learn about a important system of our body named nervous system. Nervous system is the most important system of our body which made up of many neuron cells. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Parts of nervous system. The nervous system composed of two main parts. First, the central nervous system, CNS, and second, the peripheral nervous system. PNS. The central nervous system controls the central part of such as brain and spinal cords, and the peripheral nervous system the central nervous system control the central part of brain and spinal cords, and peripheral nervous system includes nerves. देखिए, the brain is the most complex part of our body. The brain is located inside the skull in cranium. Brain also float in a fluid which is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Brain also protected by a layer which is called meninges. The weight of brain. The weight of brain is approximately 1,300 to 1,400 gram in adult, but in newborn childs the weight of brain is 350 to 400 gram. And next we know parts of brain. Parts of brain. The brain has three main parts. Three main parts such as first cerebrum, second cerebellum, and third brain stem, or medulla. Brain stem or medulla. At first we learned about cerebrum. Parts of brain. The brain has three main parts. First, cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and it is responsible for higher function like thinking and movement. Second part is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. It located under cerebrum and responsible for balance. And third part is brain stem. The third part is brain stem. The brain stem is the smallest part of brain. The brain stem connects the cerebrum and cerebellum to spinal cords. The cerebrum control the breathing, heartbeats, body temperature, digestion, vomiting, etc. Thanks.